volume on, my head I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster.
With another one. Yes, girl. Slaying edges. You know what I'm saying? If you want your edges slayed, you came to the right place, girl. Because we don't be playing around over here. You came to the right place, girl. Y'all thought, all right. As you can see, my hair look a hot mess. So what I'm gonna do is take my rubber band off and just redo the ponytail. Y'all, don't mind my dogs, they stay doing that. But anyway, so yeah, I put the rubber band on and here comes the fun part. If you want your edges to be extra, you need to do this, because I swear every time I do my hair like this, I get compliments throughout the day. This no joke. It's very tedious, a little hard, but baby, it's worth it. Basically what I do is I try to make like a swoop and then just try to get a little curl and then just place it down with some gel. And I just keep doing this over and over again until I feel like it's perfect. Then boom, this hairstyle is probably one of the ones I do the most. It's not extra, but it's extra enough. So what I do is I do the 2 little swoops, and then I just do the little curls in the front. You know, I have the little bit wavy. You know how I do. literally thought I was recording it, but I didn't record that one. But anyways, for the next style, this one is like when people do like them finger wave type things, and that's how I just start off, like with little loops, but not actually putting it, you know, with my hairline. So once I got the little foundation, I started to take some hair out and make some little curls, and I just did that pretty much everywhere. Now, baby, you cannot tell me my edge is not snatched, because I'm looking at them right now like, girl, you did that. And I understand this hairstyle is not for everybody, so if you don't like it, simply don't do it. But baby, yes, thank you for watching. I hope the people that do like it enjoyed. Love y'all, and bye.